Over to Northern Ontario, where Ottawa is sending help to Bearskin Lake First Nation due to a COVID-19 outbreak. Tonight, we hear from the region's MPP, who says more than half of the community is infected and is calling for more assistance. Jason Guidola has more.
As I'm driving around, it's like a ghost town.
Northern MPP Saul Mamakwa posted this video to YouTube today of him flying in the ever so desolate community of Bearskin Lake First Nation, where many are in isolation, sick, and very few workers are seen.
In their voices, I saw the emotion, like they had tears in their eyes when I was talking to them from a distance outside.
More than half of a population of roughly 400 people have tested positive for COVID-19, leaving the remote Northern Ontario Reserve scrambling for help from the outside to supply medical assistance, food, water, and timber.
We have a team of 12 that came up from Thunder Bay yesterday. We have identified so many homes that will be running out of wood here.
After urgently calling for assistance, Canadian Armed Forces touched down in Bearskin yesterday. Emergency Preparedness Minister Bill Blair tweeted out saying troops arrived to conduct an initial assessment. Officials from across government are working closely with community leadership to get support where it is needed.
And I know it has taken a lot of pressure for Ontario and the federal government to finally show up and help Bearskin Lake First Nation. But so I'm not sure what the plan is.
Mamakwa says at least 213 people in Bearskin Lake have tested positive. A GoFundMe page was also created calling for more help, saying many of the essential workers in administration and maintenance make up the infections. Bearskin Chief Lefty Kemina Watman, who reportedly tested positive today, says overcrowding is becoming an issue and local health officials are calling for isolation centers.
Elderly parents at home that they've been tested positive and there's nobody to look after them.
Mamakwa says the nearest medical centers are more than 300 kilometers away in Red Lake and Sioux Lookout. He says other Indigenous communities have pitched in, offering medical support and donations. But more assistance from Ottawa is needed.
Should be as long as they're needed there, and I think it's been a long, a couple weeks for this community, and they're tired.
Jason Guidola, CHCH News.